everybody, Harold here. Today I want to talk to you about calculating expiration date. And to do that, I like to use a DAX function called EDATE. Go to DAX guide right here real quick. So EDATE returns a date that is the indicated number of months before or after the start date. So we're not looking for days or years. We need months. And that can be tricky because months end in different days. EDATE takes two arguments: the start date, the datetime format, and the number of months you want to go forward or backward. So a great use case for this is calculating expiration dates. So let's go to Power BI. Got a small table here: product, thing one and thing two, the lot number, when we got it in stock, and the number of months before it expires. And we need to know by day. I can't just say 7/1 for this. I need to know the exact expiration date. So what I can do is we'll make a new column. Call that EXP underscore date. And that will equal, we use our EDATE function, EDATE, shift enter. And our table's called EDATE, so we want the EDATE stock date for our start date, comma, shift enter. And then we need the number of months. So we'll say EDATE expiration months. Shift enter and we'll close that and commit. Now if I drop EXP date in my table, format that a little. Our new column, we'll make that just short date. So now we have an exact 6-month expiration date in the future. What we could do now is some conditional formatting. So I've created another column here. Let me blow this up for you to use in our conditional formatting. So what I've done is date status. I created a variable called days until expiration. That's the date diff between today and the max EDATE expiration date in days. So that's how many days are left till it expires. Uh, we want to know how close it is to expiration. If it's within 30 days, 15 days, or really close. So we could do discounted sales. You're ready to, so we could start discounting at different levels. So return if days until expiration is greater than 30, return a 3. I'm just labeling these 3, 2, 1, and 0 to use in a conditional formatting measure. So if days until expiration is greater than or equal to 16 and less than or equal to 30, give it a 2. We'll label that yellow. If it's greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 15, give that a 1 and we'll call that red. And if it's 0, it expired and we'll make that gray. So then we take that measure. So we'll drop our date status in our table. Then we will conditionally format the date status icons. We're going to rule based on date status. It says if the value equals 3, it's going to be green. The value equals 2, it's going to be yellow. The value equals 1. Make sure these are numbers and not percents. We're okay. We're green. We're up. Then it's urgent. Red. I like the one with the little line in it. And we'll add one more rule. Value equals 0. Number. Then we'll put this gray one on there. Say okay. Oh, now we've got a column that warns us when we're getting close to expiration date. And everything looks good. So that is how you use EDATE. It just simply calculates a date X number of months in the future. Did a best case use for expiration date. I hope you liked this video. Hope you learned something. If you did, please like it, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.